Do you know many people are having trouble with resetting their Humminbird HELIX 9? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Main Menu. Begin by pressing the menu key twice to access the main menu on your Humminbird HELIX 9. Step 2. Go to Setup. Navigate to the Setup tab using the directional keys. Step 3. Select Restore. Select the Restore Defaults option using the cursor. Step 4. Press right key. Press the right cursor key to choose the Restore Defaults option. Step 5. Confirm Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and complete the reset process. By following these steps, you should successfully reset your Humminbird HELIX 9 to factory settings. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Humminbird users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.